y'all getting to learn what this conglomerate shit is all about. J-Dub, let them know what you brought for them, homie.
Go, crack, smack. 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 Go, crack, smack.
Okay, wake up, motherfucker, J-Go back up in this bitch. Can't nobody say this shit. Ain't some of them most amazing shit you heard. That's my word, bitch, my flow is so superb. Any ammo will get served. All that body shit for the bird. Bitch, I'm real, I'm so evil. I go in, don't need no fear. Either you with me or against me. If you against me, you get killed. I'm the best, I accept nothing less than no more. Never do leave that to you. Every fucking time I do sound like that.
Go, crack, smack.
Hey, yo, J-Dub, let me take you from here, homie. Hey, yo, attention, please, cause it's romance season. Kill 'em. You know that, baby. You know that, baby. You know that, baby. You know that, baby. It's getting warm in here. Let me roll my sleeves up. Yo. Fettuccine, afraid of niggas gas. I respect your effort, but I'm afraid your ass trash. Funny, but I always seem to have the last laugh. You bag a bitch with a potato bag ass. Yesterday I was quiet and made the ass glad. Today I dropped another heater and it made the ass mad. We got it in the bag and in the stash and do the shit to make the bitches act bad.
This movie is brought to you by the Divine.
Uncle L.
Go ahead, baby.
They're juggling, baby.
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 Go ahead, baby.
I use faithfully. Basically, ain't nobody else raised me. I got paper, stats, and cake I see anytime I rate the beat. You can never play it, G. Step back, head back, niggas scrape your feet. I'm first back, first tag, Lil Wayne G. Fuck the bartender, I'll be where the wages be. I shove you more coke cases than they in the city house gun. I pop up in the front with the body in the trunk like a body in the trunk. Open up the back, let the body on these chunks. Buying out the bar, ain't nobody getting drunk. You're getting it, baby. You're getting it, baby. You're getting it, baby. You're getting it, baby. Now, get money, get money. We do the damn thing and the damn thing's funny. Drop it down till you pull a hamstring, honey. Yeah, get money, get money, get money, get money. Then we working 9 to 5. Get money, get money. Got broke up in the ride. Get money, get money. Get away and the damn thing's funny. Let me see you cop it till you pull a hamstring, honey.
Bobby been broken for the past 6 summers. You know, got the eyes green with the lowest number. I saw him how to grind. I teach him how to off shit. 9s to the hard, bricks to the soft shit. Get up out of bundle. Come up in the hustle, doing reps with a weight, bitch. Get it off the muscle. The gang trying to struggle. I'm trying to get it cracking. Your boy got a hotel. Nigga really acting hell.
I'm heavy in the dope game, bitch. Keep up with a half a kid, say no name, bitch. If I can't eat, I make it hot for everybody. I finish this and wrong, you drop for everybody. You niggas got it fucked up, the rules is missing. Dope game paying for these kids' school tuition. Dope game paying for that boy Ruth to be missing. Man, his father was a rat, so we used to them snitching. Damn. It's showtime. Y'all already know what this is, man. When you're in the club, you dance on the floor. When you're in the club, you dance on the floor. When you're in the club, you dance on the floor. When you're in the club, you dance on the floor. Them haters can't touch you nothing. Them haters can't touch you nothing. Them haters can't touch you nothing.
photos. The top all off it like that bitch fell off. You niggas acting sick while I make you niggas come. That's around the green, bitch, I got the white balls. I'm chillin' all I got with that $1 billion talk. That $1 billion walk, I got that $1 billion swap. I come from that gritty city up in New York. You niggas talking crazy, but you niggas won't be on it. I'm in this motherfucker, hey, hey. We gon' set it off in this motherfucker, hey, hey. Hands in the air in this motherfucker, hey, hey. We don't really care in this motherfucker, hey, hey. Oh!
Yeah. Hey, yeah. Won't you let me welcome you niggas to the world that ain't welcome to you, understand? It brings me great pleasure to work with the real and banish the fake. No big mouth and whole cake fag beta ass niggas allowed. But to everybody else,
I would like to welcome to the world of fast money, fast cars, big diamond rings, C-chains, and the girls up. Fake smile, broken hearts, and if you looking for your real love, you won't find it here. If you looking for your real love, well, good night, my dear.
Around here.
Shine, spend time with the girls up. Fake smile, looking raw, trying hard in the club, looking for her real love. You won't find it here, all I got is hard, different conversation for you. I was just high in the line when I say I love you. My mind saying it, we're both. I just wanna fuck you, her too. Blowing loud, smelling like a bubble, rich perfume. She coming home with me, she gonna meet her doom. She ain't saying I'm the greatest, gonna change her. Tune the coldest and the hottest, call me December, June. Deliver you home, straight to your room.
Clap your hands to this. Yeah, clap your hands to this.
Move something now. Like that. Yeah, move something now. Like that.
Shorty got the cake, I bet you I can handle it. Haters getting hot, so I'm trying to get my candle lit. She can make you clap ovation, waiting for that left right rotation. Get up off the wall, make it up, bend over. You can throw it back while I grab on your shoulder. I told you it's over, now you're getting crazy. So rock in the cut, got your boy feeling wavy.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Hunch from the honeys, pound from the rough. Next see my man say that I knew from the project. Said he had beef, asked me if I had my piece. Sure do, 222s in my shoes. Holla if you need me, love, I'm in the house. Roman slow, see what the honeys is about. Always poppin', home poppin', ain't no stopping. Big Papa, I'm a bad boy. Niggas wanna front, who got your back? Niggas wanna flex, who got the gap? It ain't hard to tell.